উফ, আবার সেই অ্যাটেন্ডেন্সের যন্ত্রণা। 3 বার করে নাম ডাকতে ডাকতে মুখ ব্যথা হয়ে যায়, আর ভালো লাগে না।
মেম আসিফ স্বপ্ন স্বপ্ন
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It isn't just about attendance, it's a symphony of cutting edge technologies, harmonizing to redefine how institutions should track individual presence. Let's delve into the details. We present you PresentPy.
But hold your applause. PresentPy is not static, it is a living, breathing entity. We listen, adapt, and involve. User feedback fuels our growth, and as facial recognition algorithm advance, so does PresentPy.
Picture this: a bustling classroom, students streaming in. But wait, no more manual roll calls. PresentPy's secret sauce: Python and OpenCV. These powerhouses team up to analyze student faces, ensuring no one slips through the attendance cracks.
But wait, there is more. PresentPy's backstage crew includes Haarcascade classifiers, LBPH algorithms, and a dash of NumPy magic. It's like having a team of wizards having spells to ensure every student gets their rightful present badge.